Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel guys. Today I am going to talk about a very good method to learn English alone. This is called Speak English Alone. Practice English alone. You just have to speak, or you just have to do a speaking practice alone. You don't need to talk with anyone. You don't need to go with your friends for a conversation. You don't need to rely on external factors to learn English language. You can learn English by yourself, by speaking in front of your mobile phone camera or in front of the mirror, by talking to yourself. You just have to go outside. You just have to go in your field where you can talk to yourself without having any kinds of external disturbances. There will not be anyone, there will not be your friends. You just have to find an environment where you just have to go, and there should not come anyone to interrupt you and talk to yourself there. Like I'm giving my example. If I would speak in English language in my home, there would be so many guys for interrupting me. But I thought that I should go in my field, in my farmland, where I will speak in English. There will not be anyone to interrupt me. There is no one. I am alone. यहाँ पर कोई नहीं आ रहा है. So I can practice confidently because I am just speaking to myself, not others. So fun factors have been removed by me. The fun factors have been removed by me because there is no one who can make fun of me. So I am free. I can talk freely. I can learn whatever I want to learn. Whatever I want to practice, I will be able to practice alone. So this will help you. Just if you have a smartphone, everybody who is watching this video definitely have a smartphone. So just use a smartphone in good manner. Just go to the farmland. Village people definitely have a farmland. If you don't have, so you can go to another empty place, another alone place where no one should be coming. जो आपका मजाक उड़ा सकता है वो लोग नहीं आने चाहिए. ऐसी जगह में जाइए और just open your mobile phone camera. And literally speaking, this simple hack helped me a lot. When I was a beginner, I was not able to speak. I practiced a lot, but I did not practice of speaking in this language. But when I started making videos, literally speaking, only by following this technique, only by making videos, my fluency has been advanced. जब मैंने वीडियो बनाना स्टार्ट किया, शुरुआत से लेकर अभी तक मेरी फ्लुएंसी में बहुत सारा चेंज आया है. व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड लर्निंग दिस लैंग्वेज, आई आल्सो यूज्ड टू प्रैक्टिस, बट स्पीकिंग प्रैक्टिस उतनी हो नहीं पाती थी. उसकी वजह से आई वाज जस्ट फेसिंग हर्डल्स. आई वाज नॉट एबल टू स्पीक वेरी वेल in starting, before making the videos, before I started my YouTube channel. But when I started my YouTube channel, from my single day to till now, I am able to speak very good English. I am able to have the good changes in my personality. I am able to have good changes in my body language. I am able to have good changes in my language learning process. Literally speaking, this video making technique helped me to have a conversation, to have a kind of confidence, and I'm just making my videos continuously so I can talk with other person confidently. I can talk with anyone because मैं practice कर रहा हूँ इसकी continuously with the consistent efforts. I'm just making my videos. And it is not only helping me to learn this language, but also it is giving me the way to speak. Because every day I am just practicing a different topic. I am just talking about a different topic. Okay, so आप वीडियो बनाना स्टार्ट करिए. You don't need to upload those videos on YouTube just for your, personality development, just for your, English improvement. You have to shoot a video, go outside for talking where कोई नहीं होना चाहिए उस प्लेस में. Just talk to yourself. Okay. तो इसके लिए बहुत सारे places हो सकते हैं. There will be so many places where you can go and talk easily without having any, external disturbances. Guys, really speaking, literally speaking, this helped me a lot. Only because of this reason, I am just advising you as a friend. I am just as a brother. I am just saying to you that sisters, please follow this step. You can go to your farmland rather than going other places. There will be so many hurdles. You cannot go outside, but in your farmland, you can go and practice. You can go and practice rather than practicing in front of your friends, rather than practicing with the people. You can go outside where and you can talk alone. You can practice spoken English alone. और यहाँ पर कोई disturb करने के लिए नहीं है. I'm just talking to myself. I will be able to look over my mistakes. I will be able to make over those mistakes after watching my videos. After watching, क्योंकि मैंने वो वीडियो शूट किया, and I will be able to have a relook of my videos, and मैं उस वीडियो को देखने के बाद मैं अपनी गलती को सुधार भी सकूंगा. तो this is called a very good method, talking in English language alone. Talk. आपको अकेले में बात करना सीखना है, और ये आपके लिए बहुत ही ज़्यादा हेल्पफुल होगा, बहुत ही ज़्यादा हेल्प करेगा इंग्लिश लर्न करने के लिए, एंड यू विल बी एबल टू स्पीक वेरी गुड. एंड गाइज, इफ यू फाउंड दिस वीडियो हेल्पफुल, यदि आपने इस वीडियो को पसंद किया है, आपके लिए कुछ हेल्पफुल आया है, तो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल एंड लाइक द वीडियोज एंड कमेंट ऑन माई वीडियोज. हाउ एम आई मेकिंग वीडियोज, एंड was it helpful or not? If it was helpful, then you have to comment positively. If it was not helpful, it was bakwas, so you just have to comment badly, or you can comment negatively on my videos. And where do I have to make some corrections? Please suggest me. Okay, so we will meet in another very specific video. Have a good day. Bye bye.